Like, listen here. For all y'all that be in y'all five swords mode about shit. All y'all be in y'all five swords mode about shit, you know, just to have some type of balance or harmony with somebody, stuff like that, and try to maintain that shit, stuff like that. Start all that comfort, stuff like, guess what? What the fuck you think you gonna build with destruction? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know you want to tear down. I know you want motherfucking tear down certain cruxes. You want to do that. But what the fuck you think that's gonna be left for you when the motherfucker you get there? Not a fucking thing. And therefore, that's why you can't build shit with that person. You cannot build shit with that person and shit like that because you, the motherfucker, done told it down. You a motherfucker done went and came and told them what the motherfucker they had to motherfucking offer and stuff like that because you just trying to win. So you just trying to win. Shit. So don't even get there and look at them like, why ain't the motherfucker nothing here? Guess what? You went too far. That person can't build nothing support for you because the shit that they had and shit that they were trying to do, stuff like that, you done went and motherfucking blew it. Yeah? Watch it. Watch it. Alright, Serene Lunar Day. Peace, love, no, all y'all good. 3 Fin Sauce 3 Spaceship, y'all.